Good afternoon, traders. This is Kevin Craney with RJO Futures with an afternoon wrap-up on the financial markets. Equity markets are drifting higher here today. Really no momentum and nothing really to propel things higher throughout the day. We did have a little bit of market data. We saw a Richmond Fed manufacturing index come out that showed a little bit of contraction. We did have the S&P Case-Shiller numbers that did come in a little bit better than expected. Home prices not falling nearly as much as they were on a year-over-year basis. Looking at the interest rate market, we did have a two-year auction of notes that went off today. Really a tepid auction. We saw primary dealers really have to step in and take down about 60% of the total supply that came out, while indirects took down the other 40. So really that kicked the yield out at about 31 basis points. Not really what we want to see on a supply-heavy week. We have $99 billion in treasuries being auctioned off this week. So 5-year notes coming tomorrow, followed by 7s the next day. And I think when you look at the interest rate market really on the day, that's really what kind of put pressure on the Treasury futures for the day, was really just the supply overhang. And particularly when we lead up to the EU summit. Leading up to this EU summit, what we hear more out of Chancellor Merkel out of Germany today, saying that she doesn't agree to joint European debt, joint bonds. She agrees to more political unity and more oversight for the Eurozone. And really that's not what the market wants to hear. The market wants a more structural solution to the debt problems. So that's certainly, I think, something that the markets are just latching on to anything that they can possibly find that would show structural changes coming from this summit this week. In the meantime, I think you'll see markets continue to just drift around here until we flow into Thursday or Friday. You continue to see these interest rates probably flow around the 160, maybe the 165 level on the high side. The equities probably stuck right here around 1325 on the high side, and certainly if we break that 1300 level, probably move back more toward the 1295 and possibly lower than that. Again, futures trading not suitable for everyone. It carries a high degree of risk. Please give me a call, 888-596-5817, and we can discuss these opportunities and more.